You know the story about the scorpion and the frog.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Just doing the commute to work. It's like about 7 in the morning, kind of dark, kind of getting a bit sunrise. But started to share the ride to work with you. Kind of signed up to do an event, you see. So I need to get training because I only ever really cycle. I don't ever really cycle to commute. I don't exactly go out for rides, but I'm starting to change that. So I need to get my fitness way up there because I struggle a lot at the minute. I mean, I'm seeing my like personal bests on the way to work, constantly getting better. So, you know, I'm getting fitter as I go. I need some sort of shoe covers. My feet get freezing. And then they go no. Such a beautiful morning. And every morning is going to be like this week, so I'm hoping we're going to cycle every single day. Okay. Can you see that? That's so nice, isn't it? Absolute stunning morning. So over there, where that low cloud is, that's where there's a segment that I tried to give it my all. It's a gravel segment, you know. So it's the only real massive push I do, try and improve on that. And we're getting there. Every time I do it, if there's not a real killer headwind, you know, we see a massive improvement. A couple of seconds of time, but I think I can't remember. I always forget how many seconds I'm short of actually being on the top 10 leaderboard. I always try to remember. And I always try and count the sprint. There's a tractor going. Let's take this a bit slow because it's going to be shit down that road. It's going to be so churned up, isn't it? And look at this for a morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. You know what? Let's have a minute. Forgot my bloody glove. I'm not Michael Jackson. After a great start here, aren't we, guys? Tractor's Park definitely far away enough now. I just hope that it's pure sludge. Put the nose cover up because it absolutely reeks. could get clipped in, right? Okay. Yep, your sludge. But we're travelling. We are fucking going. Just maintain this and we should be good. If not, improve it. Okay. We're doing it. They did relay the surface about a month ago. There was so many potholes. Okay, let's shift the gear. Oh shit. Come on. All right. This is a nice little section too. Probably one of 2 hills I see on the ride. That's 7:36. And there's another section here. Let's try to do it. Stayed in Big Ring all the way. Hopefully that's making it harder for myself. So if I ever need to drop down to Little Ring, I'll have the leg power to carry me. There we go. Up the hill, and there we go. Whee! Right, well, thanks for joining me on this. Hopefully you'll stay tuned for more. Do not forget to subscribe if you've made it this far in the video. Peace out everyone, thank you.